Hello everyone, welcome back to DeCoders. This is Rishikesh Karkar, and in this video, we'll be seeing how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on popos, Ubuntu, linuxmint, or any other Ubuntu or Debian based distro. First of all, you have to open up your browser and type or search for Microsoft Edge. Now you will be on the Microsoft Edge website. Scroll down and below you will see download for Linux and you will see Linux in backend.dev. Click on it and you will install the .dev file. Now click on the folder icon or just go to the location where you have installed the file, that is the .dev file. Downloaded the file. Now you have to go to the location where you have just downloaded the file. Right click in the directory, then click on open in terminal. After opening in terminal, you have to type ls and just make sure that the file is present. Now, what we will do is, we will type the command sudo dpkg, that is dpackage, sudo dpackage -i, that is -i in normal language. Now, we will copy the name of the file from the ls section and paste it in the, after we have typed the command. Just type a password and hit enter and the browser or the package will be installed. Now, if you get some errors while installing the package, then you will see a title saying that some errors were found while installing the package. If you find some errors, then what you have to do is run sudo apt install -f. Now, after you run this command, then the broken dependencies or the packages which are needed for the Microsoft Edge browser to work will be successfully installed and the broken packages will be fixed. Now you can just open Microsoft Edge browser from the menu or from the terminal or add it to the desktop, whatever you want, and it's working fine. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. I know I have posted a video after a long time. Please like and subscribe and share it with all of your Linux friends who want to use the Edge browser on Ubuntu or their Ubuntu-based distro. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.